So, this might be a bit of fun here. Right there, and I am zoomed in as much as possible, but we have a very large woodpecker. Can you see him there? And there was a couple of other birds that I am not sure what they were. They were in a pair, and they actually had orange coloration to them. And had it not been for my screen door being froze, and now it is off the sliders. Yeah, had that not stuck like that, they'd probably still be out there. But I made quite a commotion. Okay, and now we have a cardinal. Once again, people, I am zoomed in to the max, unfortunately. Boy, I sure would like to see those birds make their reappearance. Where'd that guy go? And we have a squirrel that is on the same tree as the woodpecker. Just some fun observations here, people. So signs of life are returning, even though it is very cold out there. So I just thought that I would go ahead and just add some more of my surroundings. Okay, and we also, now we have a little downy woodpecker that's decided to join in. I can't even see where that large woodpecker is anymore. And right offhand, I can't even think of the name of this woodpecker. Andy, if you're out there watching this, I'll just say that it is the same type of woodpecker that was creating the square holes in the trees out on your property. So, on that note, seeing how they're all starting to kind of blend in, and yes, we also have the light up there trying to burn its way through the permacloud covering. Yeah, there's a little downy woodpecker is in here somewhere. Yeah, you can see him right there. He just blew off. And yeah, the larger woodpecker is behind the center tree, or the tree in the center of my screen. He's behind that. So anyways, people, I'm going to go ahead and end it right there. And as I am currently uploading one video. I am recording this one, and as I said, I do plan on coming out with a sermon, Bible time, if you will. And remember, this is Observation Channel. So what I show and what I share, always remember, it's just my observations. So, on that note, one last, well, I did have them in my sights, but oh well. Alright, that'll be it for now. Getting sounds of other birds. Alright, that's gonna do it. Take care, all. We'll see you on the flip side. Okay, people. Here are the mystery birds in question. Again, I am zoomed in to the max. See one there in the center screen as well. Okay. Now it's under their wings. They have like a yellow-orange coloration. And from what I can see, there is 3 of them out here. There's one right here, center screen. And I am inclined to think that those could be cedar waxwings. I don't know where he went. So that is kind of what I am guesstimating at this point. But I was finally able to capture them. And so this will be added to the previous recording. But they are out here eating the leftover berries and grapes that's still on these trees. Now, of course, I am just guesstimating at this point. My vision is not that great, so it's getting harder and harder for me to identify birds. It does sound like waxwings, though. So I do think that is mystery solved. Quite a variety. Okay. Yeah, can you see them right there? Yeah, they're getting the old grapes, wild grapes, quite small. So mission accomplished. Have a great one. So continuing on with today's bird watching, we have quite a few birds right here. I am out of breath currently. I just came back in from taking a little bit more dry cat food out, and it is dropped in temperature significantly. Literally, it only took a moment for my hands to freeze up. Okay, we have a cat right there. So hopefully it found some of the cat food, and that's one that belongs to the clan down to the west of me. So we have a little variety of activity kicking off, and I'm not sure what time it is right now. It's gotta be right around 5 o'clock or somewhere around there. Yeah, and I am zoomed in all the way. Well, as I was out there putting out some more cat food for the cats when I first walked up to their feeding site, I caught a couple of small birds, and that was feeding on the leftovers there. Still, we have seen quite a variety of birds out here today. A couple of cats. And we shall. Oh, uh, yeah, speaking of birds, just had a couple of sparrows come flying right up. Oh, so last far away look at a cardinal in the midst of snow. And that shall be the conclusion of today's bird watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Have yourselves a wonderful one.